This video will provide an overview of your university and degree requirements. These are requirements that all UC San Diego students, regardless of college or major, will need to complete in order to graduate.
All students must complete these 3 university requirements to graduate. Let's learn about your options for fulfilling each of these requirements.
The first requirement is your UC entry-level writing requirement, also known as the ELWR. The university requires you to demonstrate proficiency in English composition by the end of your first year at UC San Diego. When you get to the academic section on this site, you will tell us if you have met your ELWR requirement. You may have taken an analytical writing placement exam, also known as the OWAPI, in May, or you may be planning to take it in September. If you take the exam in May, we get your results in June, and we will advise you accordingly. If you do not take the exam in May and wait until September, we will advise you on options when you sign up for classes. If you took one of the AP English exams or an IB English exam, you can wait to take the analytical writing placement exam. Passing these exams clears you of this requirement. If you haven't met ELWR by fall quarter, you will take a course in the fall to meet these requirements.
The next requirement is American History and Institutions, also known as AHI. The university requires knowledge of American history and/or government. If you graduated from a California high school, your AHI requirement is complete. If you attended high school outside of California, you can clear the requirement with comparable coursework. Please refer to an ERC academic counselor for course options. If you are an international student, please consult with an ERC academic counselor in the fall and we will explain how you will clear the requirement.
The last university requirement is Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion, also known as DEI. You can find information about this requirement in the UC San Diego General Catalog, and you can find a complete list of approved courses on the ERC website. This course can overlap with major or general education requirements. Here are some examples of courses students have taken for DEI.
In addition to these 3 university requirements, you must also complete certain degree requirements to graduate. You must complete at least 180 total units, 60 of which must be upper division. Remember, upper division courses are numbered 100 through 199 at UC San Diego. You must also achieve a minimum of 2.0 major and overall GPA to graduate.
You are also encouraged to view a sample 4-year plan for an overview of how to complete your major, GE, and university requirements to graduate. To view a sample 4-year plan for your major, you can visit the ERC website. Remember, these are just sample plans. Your test scores and academic background information will help ERC Academic Advising determine what courses you should take in fall.
If you have any questions about your first quarter courses, we can answer them during e-advising, which will open after your recommended courses are revealed in August.
Be sure to watch the General Education Requirements video and the Major Information video so you get the whole picture of your UC San Diego degree.